reba igihe abantu bahereye kuri YouTube, abantu batesha abantu umutwe, abandi bandika inkuru, abagira gute iteka ryose titire ibinyoma tupu. Umuntu akagenda agaserera akajya hariya, hari n'igihe utinya kujya mu bantu, ugatinya kujya mu bantu just how they know you.
So bisaba umuntu ufite umutima kandi uzi ubwenge, uzi no kureba. Kuko abandi
bagendera mu kigare. Ubwo rero ko bari buyabijeho, wala good job. Narabibabwiye one day bizaba izabigira. It's very good job. Wallahi. Kubera yuko njya ndeba nkavuga subu nimba abantu bubu bameze gutya,
abazavuka ejo yejo bameze gute. Ubwo se waba uteye gutya ukambwira ngo ubyaye umwana uramureze, umwigishije uburere. Nibyo byiza kabisa. Abantu sinzi iyo muturuka bavuye mu byaro
hehe, mwaje Kigali guhiga amafaranga, muza mu miji nta burere, mugeze mu mujyi mwigira karaha kajyahe. Sinzi byaro muturukamo, nta wamenya. Bamwe niba mwari za mbobo zo muri ibyo byaro mwavuyemo, kuko abavuye muri ibyo byaro barezwe turababona. Ugasanga rero uraje aho umenye iwanyu bishyuye amafaranga, bagurisha ikibanza ngo ujye kwiga, ngo ujye wiri gutuka abantu, usebya abantu. Kuza niba ushaka gukora YouTube, ntugakora YouTube ikora kundi muntu ari kuyikora. Kora YouTube ikora kubikunze, kora ko ufite strategy, ufite ahantu ugiye kugera, ukora ibintu bizima. Internet igira ibintu bigumaho igihe cyose. Igihe rero postinze ibintu bihoraho, that is a really bad. Narababwiye turi under judgment time, be careful. Be careful. Narabibabwiye abantu bakora ibintu bibi babireke. Nababwiye ngo cyabwedo niyo waba uri umuyobozi, niyo waba uri umupolisi, niyo waba uri umusirikare, aziro nkuko utari gukora muri gahunda ya gisirikare cyangwa ya gipolisi ku murongo, ukaba ufite wowe izindi nyungu zawe z'ubuntu tujurujurujuruje urimo buciye ku ruhande n'akazi uba ugomba gukora. You will be judged. Narabibabwiye, if you are doing something wrong, if you know your heart is not good, you keep hurting people for no reason. Stop. Stop doing that. It's too late already. Wabaye mugome yabaye mugome kera, yibye kera. It's too late. C'est fini. Cyararangiye ibyo bintu. Ubu ngubu hari izindi mbaraga ziri kuri. Urabona abantu mutwita muri kubyara abana. Ukibyara umwana wawe, please, akiva mu nda, I'm begging you, cyangwa se ukimwinjiza mu rugo, let's say, but if it's good, akiva mu nda, receive your baby. I don't care a doctor is there hearing the prayer or not. Close the eyes and pray for your child the moment your baby come from stomach. Kora kabana benshi bari kuvuka ubu ni ubugingo bwa kera, and they are fighters, they don't joke. Urumva, they are better than us. We are wicked. So they are doing better job for better tomorrow. Ariko nubwo bari kuza still, bari under spell. Under spell, they can't speak. Bararoza iminwa yabiri. Iradoze. So, however, pray for your kids. Kandi mukomeze mureke kujya mukora baby shower. Iyi mihango musigaye mukora y'abana bari mu nda n'ibiki nibyo byose biri kubitera. So the moment your baby is born, cut off the channels. You as a mother, you're not father, mother. You are the one who get pregnant, that baby. Cut off the channels immediately. Cut a chain. Umwana kiva mu nda doctor akimugushyiraho gutya. Pray for your child. When they go home, pray for your child. The moment you get your child name, everything, for the first day, the first week, I say pray for your kids. I'm telling you, this is more powerful. And mean it when you do that. Don't pray because Sunny said to pray. No, do it with the love, with the kind. Iyi minsi ntabwo ari iminsi ndakurahiye. Mwe mukomeze musenge byose birahinduka. Nta kintu kidahinduka, ibintu byose birahinduka bikaba mu mahoro. Urumva? Everything. Mubwije ukuri yuko abantu bazi ngiye nkurikije according to how I know the powerful the power of prayer. Abantu b'abaturage bagiye basenga nkubwije ukuri ko ewana amahoro yajya bari amahoro ahantu hose. Nta kibazo wajya usanga pe, ariko ntitujya dusenga. Tujye dusenga rwose, abantu mugasenga mukamera neza, nta ntambara, nta bibazo, ntaki. You just have to pray kandi ukubaha umuntu, sibyo? Haka ibintu byo kwicara umuntu nta kintu yagutwaye ntaki ukamubuza amahoro, ntago ari byo. People been crying, people been suffering for no reason. Now it's time the heaven fight for those who been quiet and suffering. It's time. Ese Kanyombya byagenze gute ko atigeze anaza live? Kanyo, uracyabaho?
yibye amadolari n'ikigo rwiba amafaranga y'amadolari angana kuri ujya kwinywera inzoga n'abagore, iyo ugenda ukagura ikibanza ahantu cyangwa ukagura inzu Rwamagana n'ahandi. Urabona ubu giteka ryose abantu bagira amahirwe, uzi ngo umuntu uzi ubwenge ayo mafaranga yayagwaho reka niyo yaba hari umva niyo yakora mu mufuka arimo akayakora ntiyaraba uko ari amafaranga, ntihabura ikimushibura akagenda atarayabona. Ariko abantu b'ibigo byinshi bagira amahirwe ku binarumiwe. Uzarebe n'abakobwa b'ibigoryi mu mutwe nibo bahura n'abagabo b'abakire bakabaha buri kimwe cyose. Buryo uzacunge neza, urebe umuntu nimba umuzi neza, umwitegereze, ucunge. Abakobwa bahabwa ibintu, bagahabwa amazu, bagahabwa buri kimwe cyose, ntibagira mu mutwe, niba pyuru uzacunge neza urebe. It takes family. Hari igihe usanga famiye yivuga atangaha gutya na gutya ntiwahava ibi n'ibi, ugasanga urugo rwubatswe na famiye, byanapfuba hakagira umuntu hicara umucunga uba hafi akaba muri urwo rugo, bakajya bakubitisha no bashyira hasi, ugasanga umugabo yubakiwe na famiye yiwe kubera ko baba babizi. Ibaze kwiba amafaranga tu ajya kugura indaya, ubwo yagiye nyine kwiyemera ku ndaya ngo yereke ko ari abakire. Indaya nazo zaragowe rwose, ziba ziririye iyo umuntu yibye. Ubundi unibye amafaranga, niwiba amafaranga ntukayasipendinge. Ni gute wiba amafaranga ugahita ujya gusipendinga? Iyo wibye amafaranga kesi bihari, they are spending. Amadolari ntajya ahinduka, bayahinduye ejo bundi. Kuki utagiye ngo wicare witurize umwaka 2 3 yashaka n'itanu igashira, wari buzaba uyakoreye nimba yari muzima? Ndumiwe cyakora. Ni danje. Umva we, Kanyombya yagiye se, byagenze gute? Twari turi kuremera Kanyombya guys, abafana ba Kanyombya muri hehe? Muze turemere Kanyombya. Niyo wamwohereza 500 ntaribi. Nimero ngiyi nayipininze. Uyu se ninde washyize nimero hangaha ngo Eric please ndakwinginze babe? What are you talking about? Hanyuma ibintu namwe mwihaye byo kwita abantu baby nibiki? How do you call someone baby like is your baby? Everybody is baby. Niba ari uko tutazi Icyongereza, surely you go to internet, oh babe, why do you have to call everybody baby? Baby is not your mind. Am I in love with you? You call me babe? Jesus. I think I put so much. Babe, my sweetheart. Hari ngiye njya kolanga na message iraje kuri phone y'akazi. Hello sweetie. Ni sweetheart. Hello sweetheart. Uzi yuko if I was that woman with men's who chat with men's this blah blah, if I have a lot
of men, I would just send message without even knowing what I am talking about or who I'm talking about. Hello, sweetheart. Oh, come on, baby. Baby who? Who are you, baby? Kariho mwahereye munanirwa kubaka ingo zanyu. Hmm? How long ago you call a man baby, you divorce tomorrow. Nowadays, they are baby. Nta bere ngira nta mata mfite n'umukambaby. My baby, bijou, wambabarije. We go, good night, darling. Karaja wite darling is a husband. Darling is your people, your baby, best friend. What do you call your husband? Me, I will name my husband another name because everybody, baby, whatever. When I have my husband, I call him one name. And nobody else will ever know which one. So it will be between me and him. So when I said that name, he knows this is my wife. So he can have a different of his wife and his chicks, or whatever. Hey, yo. Nyita, sava. Soruru se nabyo bibaho. Ngo ni baby ra, sweetheart. If you want to speak English, you have to use your lips. Every time I speak English, people say they don't hear me. So I have to be, hello, who is there? My sweetheart. Now, wow. Honey, it's okay. Honey, it's normal, but you call someone honey. You can call your husband, your boyfriend, or a man you are chatting with. You can call him whatever you want. You can call him honey, milk, sticker, my sticker. My honey, my chirungo, my Maggie. My chirungo, my tomato sauce. You can call him anything you want. It's your man you are chatting. It's okay. But a stranger, hey, sweetheart, issue. Because if everybody called me sweetheart, and then one day my husband would be like, sweetheart, I would never love that.